problems on derivatives. See here, differentiate 2 to the power cos x square with respect to x square. Okay. So let y is equals to 2 to the power cos x square and z is equals to x square. Differentiate 2 to the power cos x square with respect to x square. That means we have to find out dy divided by dz. Okay, but y is in the function of x variable and z is also function of x variable. So first we have to calculate dy by dx from y equals to 2 to the power cos x square. So what is the value of dy by dx? That equals to d by dx. Here y equals to what? 2 to the power cos x square. Okay. So you see here d by dx of 2 to the power, here 2 to the power cos x square. Okay. Here we have to apply the formula d by dx of a to the power x, which is equals to what? We know d by dx of a to the power x is equals to a to the power x log a base a. Okay. Then by applying this formula, here a equals to 2 and here x equals to cos x square. So the derivative of 2 to the power cos x square is a to the power x. That means 2 to the power cos x square, then log a equals to 2 base e. But here cos x square is also differentiable function. So here again we have to differentiate cos x square. We have to differentiate here cos x square. Okay. Then that equals to what? 2 to the power cos x square log 2 base e. And here you see d by dx of cos x square. Suppose you think here x square is x. So d by dx of cos x equals to what? Minus sin x. But in place of x here x square, so minus sin x square, and again x square is one differentiable function, so we write d by dx of x square. Okay, d by dx of x square. Now this equals to 2 to the power cos x square, then log 2 base e, here minus, so we take here minus sign, then sin x square, then d by dx of x square, that equals to 2x. So dy by dx is equals to minus 2x sin x square into 2 to the power cos x square log 2 base e. Similarly here we have to calculate dz by dx. See, z equals to x square. So what is the value of dz by dx? That equals to d by dx of x square. So what is the derivative of x square with respect to x? Then by applying the formula d by dx of x to the power n, that equals to n x to the power n minus 1. So this equals to 2x. But we need here dy by dz. So dy by dz is equals to what? Dy by dx into dx by dz. Dy by dx, we got here the value of dy by dx, but dx by dz, but here we got the value of dz by dx. divided by 2x, because 1 divided by dz by dx, that equals to 1 divided by 2x. Now we have to put the value here. dy by dx equals to what? Minus 2x into sin x square 2 to the power cos x square, then log 2 base e into dx by dz. Here dx by dz equals to what? 1 by 2x. So here 2x cancel, that equals to minus sin x square 2 to the power cos x square log 2 base e. You see, this is the derivative of 2 to the power cos x square with respect to x square. Okay. Next, we solve another one questions, that is if u equals to x by y plus y by z plus z by x, then so that x del u by del x plus y del u by del y plus z del u by del z is equals to 0. Okay. Let's see. Here given u equals to this one. So write down given that u is equals to x by y plus y by z plus z by x. Here we have to show that means we have to prove that x del u by del x plus y del u by del y plus z del u by del z equals to 0. Then left hand side equals to what? X del u by del x plus y del u by del y plus z del u by del z. Here del u by del x means what? That is partial derivative of u with respect to x. Then what is partial derivative? A partial derivative of function of one or more than one variables with respect to a single variable while the other variables are considered to be constant. So u equals to this one. So how we can calculate the value of del u by del x? You see, that equals to here x, y is another variable that is constant. So the del u by del x equals to 1 by y, and here y and z variable, so that is 0, and here z by x, that equals to minus z by x square. So this is the value of the del u by del x. Similarly we calculate here del u by del y, that equals to what? You see y, so minus x by y square plus 1 by z. Here z x variable, y absent, so that equals to del u by del y equals to minus x by y square plus 1 by z, and del u by del z is equals to here y by z, so minus y divided by z square and plus 1 by x. Okay. Now you see we got the value of del u by del x, del u by del y and del u by del z. So we can calculate the value of the left hand side very easily. See x into del u by del x. So x into del u by del x equals to what? 1 by y minus z by x square. Okay. Then plus y into del u by del y. So y into del u by del y, that equals to x by y square plus 1 divided by z. Then plus z into del u by del z, that equals to what? Minus y divided by z square plus 1 by x. Let us see, that equals to what? X by y minus, here x cancel, so that equals to z by x. Similarly here y cancel, plus into minus, that equals to minus. So x by y, and this equals to plus y by z. Here is also plus into minus, that equals to minus z, 1 z cancel, so y by z, and here plus z by x. You see, plus z by x and here minus z by x, that is cancel, and here plus x by y and here minus x by y cancel, here y plus y by z minus y by z cancel, so which is equals to 0. You see, 0 is equals to RHS value. Then you see, we take the LHS value and we got the RHS value. That means we have to prove here x del u by del x plus y del u by del y plus z del u by del z is equals to 0. Okay. Now we have to solve another one questions. Okay. These are the solution of two problems. Okay.